Sorry. What I have here is a Mikalor ADAPFLEX clamp. Can you please tell us about its main features?
Of course, I'll start talking about the most important feature of this band and housing concept, which is usually used in applications where the hose diameter is not known in advance. There are two types. The first is 3 meters long and the second is 25 meters long, and the clamps work with all diameters. This means you don't need to carry lots of different clamps around with you, which saves you the time of searching for the particular diameter that you need. Installation is quick and easy. You only need a cutting tool and a screwdriver to tighten the clamp. You should also know that our ADAPFLEX clamps are available in various types of stainless steel. It's also available in a 25-meter format packed in a reinforced box, ensuring it can be stored and used in the harshest of weather conditions. ADAPFLEX is also available in a blister pack containing one 3-meter band and housings. Finally, it is also available in the form of a display case for stores containing 10 units.